Living is a solution, but suicide is not. Everyone knows that suicide is not a solution of any problem, but still the cases of suicide were increasing at a very rapid rate. And I just want to know about those who commit suicide. So there might be chances once after committing a suicide that person will get relief from the pain which he is having. But on the other hand, what mess he has created for his family, he never realized about all that. So today I just want to share few facts with you, and after that if you find something relevant in this particular video, so try to share it with your friends, relative or any known person, because there might be chances that your single share can save someone's and change someone's life. According to the report of WHO, all across the globe, more than 450 million people are under depression. Suicide is the second leading cause for the death of the age group of 15 to 30. And everyone is saying that suicide is not a solution, but still in a year more than 8 million people commit suicide. Everyone thought that suicide is only because of depression, sadness and the grief. So for making this particular video, I had a talk with few of my seniors and they have experienced the depression hand on hand. So from their experience, I just want to share their views. So if depression and sadness is only the reason behind the suicide, so everyone has to commit suicide during this corona pandemic, because the whole world is under depression, the whole world is sad because of this pandemic. But I don't think so, saying that depression and sadness is only the reason behind the suicide. Myth number 1, depression is only because of the extreme sadness.
Now we'll talk about the sadness. What is sadness actually? 12 साल जब हम अपने स्कूल में पूरे करने के बाद कॉलेज में जाते हैं तो हमारी बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं. हम न्यू फ्रेंड्स बनाएंगे, न्यू लाइफ होगी, कॉलेज, कैफेटेरिया एट ऑल. बट while joining the college, after some time we feel like no one is there who can understand me, who can understand my problem, my feelings, and no one is there who can stand for me. Because जब हम स्कूल में थे तो there are so many friends of mine, they are always ready to fight for me, they are always ready to understand my situation, my problem, etc. But यहाँ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. उस सिचुएशन में क्या होता है कि हम डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं, हम सैड हो जाते हैं. दैट इज़ द वन बिग एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से जो कि आज के स्टूडेंट सबसे ज़्यादा फेस कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज़ डिप्रेशन? डिप्रेशन क्या है? डिप्रेशन का कोई भी लॉजिकल रीज़न नहीं होता. आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं, आप अपनी फैमिली से कितने क्लोज हैं, आपने अपनी पिछली फिल्म में कितने पैसे अर्न किए, हाउ सक्सेसफुल यू आर, कोई भी स्टेटमेंट का डिप्रेशन से लेना देना नहीं है. कोई भी इंसान डिप्रेस हो सकता है, उसकी कुछ अपनी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस, रिलेटेड टू पर्सनल लाइफ, रिलेटेड टू लव लाइफ, रिलेटेड.
Myth number 2, depression may be in your head. People consider that depression is a sign of weakness, but ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Just like other diseases, depression के भी other causes हो सकते हैं, और जिसमें से कि रीजन नंबर 1 ये है, the chemical imbalance in your mind. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा भी लगता है कि कुछ लोग डिप्रेस्ड होने का नाटक करते हैं ताकि दे कैन सीक द अटेंशन ऑफ अदर्स, और कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि जो डिप्रेस्ड होने के बावजूद भी नॉर्मल एक्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज उन्हें ये लगता है कि यदि मैं ऐसे शो भी करूंगा तो लोग मुझे जज करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. डिप्रेशन एक ऐसी चीज है जिससे कि सेल्फ हेल्प बुक पढ़ के, मोटिवेशनल कोटेशंस को पढ़ के हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. यदि आपका कोई फ्रेंड किसी साइकेट्रिस्ट की हेल्प ले रहा है तो इंस्टेड ऑफ जजिंग देम वी शुड हैव टू एक्सटेंड आवर सपोर्ट. एंड देन इट्स टाइम टू टॉक अबाउट myth number 3. And in myth number 3, everyone thought that a successful person never commits suicide. So now I just want to tell you the example of a versatile actor of Bollywood industry, late Sushant Singh Rajput. He has committed suicide. And now I just want to ask one thing, what he don't have. He is having name, fame, power, paisa and everything. After the struggle of 14 to 16 years, he has reached to that particular place where other dreams too. But still he has committed suicide. Do you know what is the reason behind it? Because he feels empty from inside. That is only the reason he has committed suicide. No, it's totally. Do you know what is the reason behind depression? Because a person like us, we have taken a mental health very lightly. Because if someone is suffering, instead of helping them, we have started making them feel guilty. We are saying that अबे तू क्यों डिप्रेस हो रहा है, तेरे से ज़्यादा तो उसको दिक्कत परेशानी, उसके पास तो जॉब भी नहीं, उसके पास तो पैसा भी नहीं, तब क्यों तू परेशान हो रहा है. We are continuously judging and comparing. And there is a beautiful line that the first step to heal the wound is to accept that there is a wound. And for example, I just want to tell you one thing. जबकि कभी भी हम खेलते हैं देयर माइट भी चांस यदि गिर जाते हैं तो हाथ टूट जाते हैं या हाथ पैर कहीं कट जाते हैं तो हम सीधे डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं बिकॉज वी कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. बट इन अ केस ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ वी कांट एबल टू सी दैट देयर इज अ इंजरी, वी कांट एबल टू सी दैट वी आर सफरिंग, and only because of that reason we are facing such types of challenges.
There are various ways to deal with your depression. There are multiple websites and customer care number where you can call. They will understand your problem, they will listen properly, and they will give you the suggestion as well. Just you have to do one thing. You have to come out with your problem. You have to share your problem with them and complete. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम छोटी नहीं होती. 8 बिलियन लोगों के बीच कोई भी इंसान अकेला नहीं होता. So there is no rocket science. You have to give just 10 minutes in a day for meditation, but there should be a consistency. If you are doing the meditation for a week or 15 days, after that you are thinking, no, it is not working at all. I'm wasting my time. By doing the meditation, I'm getting distracted. So believe me, it is happening. But if you want to get the result of meditation, you have to give at least 1 month. After that you will get the result, and the result will be fantastic. That is my experience which I am sharing to you all. हम जितनी भी बात मेडिटेशन के बारे में करेंगे, लोग उतनी ही ज़्यादा मेडिटेशन की इम्पोर्टेंस को समझ पाएंगे, क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस होते हैं सुसाइड के जो हम तक पहुंच भी नहीं पाते हैं. सो लेट देम अंडरस्टैंड सुसाइड इज जस्ट नॉट अ सोल्यूशन.
Let's create an environment जहाँ पे कोई ऐसा ना सोचे that suicide is only the solution.